In this video, you'll learn how to sell tutorials on Stan Store. By the end of this guide, you will be equipped with the necessary steps to create and publish your own tutorial product effectively. Begin by navigating to your Stan Store dashboard. Look for the section labeled My Store on the left side of the screen. Once you locate it, click on My Store to open your store management interface. Next, find the option labeled Plus Add Products. This button is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the product creation menu. You will see different types of products you can add. After that, choose either e-course or digital product, depending on your needs. If you are selling a single tutorial, select digital product. If your offering consists of multiple lessons or modules, opt for e-course. This selection will guide you through the appropriate setup for your product. Once you make your selection, you will be prompted to enter the product name. Ensure that the name includes the word tutorial. For example, you might enter Photoshop Basics tutorial. This helps potential buyers immediately understand what your product offers. Now, you need to write a description for your tutorial. In this section, clearly highlight what the tutorial teaches, who it is intended for, and what is included. For example, mention if the tutorial includes video content, PDF resources, or other materials. Providing detailed information will help potential customers make informed decisions. Next, you will set the price for your tutorial. Enter a competitive price that reflects the value of your content. Consider researching similar tutorials to determine an appropriate pricing strategy. This step is crucial as it directly affects your sales. After setting the price, you will upload the tutorial file or files. This may include video files, PDFs, or zip folders containing additional resources. Ensure that your files are in a supported format and check that they do not exceed the maximum file size allowed by Stan Store. Large files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. Once all the necessary information is entered and files are uploaded, look for the button labeled Publish. Click this button to make your tutorial available for purchase. After clicking, you may see a loading indicator as the product is processed. Wait for a confirmation message to appear, indicating that your tutorial has been successfully published. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.